Hello everyone, welcome back to another travel vlog. Today we're going to be touring around Canary Wharf. This is actually my favorite place. It's located in Tower Hamlets in London. I really like the buildings and the high skyscrapers, also the beautiful light designs at night. What? These are housing departments. Oh. This place has been decorated with lights and we're going to show you this fire ahead. Late night walk. আজকে আমরা Canary Wharf এ হাঁটবো, এটা লন্ডনের মধ্যে। Okay, this is Canary Wharf at night. Yeah, it's a business place. Yeah, it's a famous business place. এখানে অনেক সুন্দরভাবে লাইট দিয়ে সাজাইছে আর আমরা এগুলো দেখবো, তাই আমার ভিডিও দেখুন আর এনজয় করলে লাইক কমেন্ট সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। The huge light design fire ahead is because of Christmas, and actually all over London you can see many light designs, beautiful light shows. So come join us and we'll show you a glimpse of this. West India Avenue. These are bus stops. It's quite different from the bus stops you can find somewhere else. This is Canary Wharf. Now we're walking towards the mall, and on our way you can see this map. So far ahead is the big mall, and in front of the mall they have huge decorations of light, Christmas trees and also fountains. So come along and let's see how it looks at night. Whoa, look at this area. Comment down below if you liked this video, and please support my channels by subscribing and sharing. Wow, look at these decorations. Christmas decoration. So beautiful. অনেক সুন্দর সবকিছু। Oh, this is the shopping centre, isn't it? Is it still open? Cabot Place. Salon. Oh, this is like a direction, so it tells you which direction you can find what. That's the train station. And we're going to be heading that way. Oh, look at those decorations inside. That's a Christmas tree. It's very empty because it's later at night. Look up. Start for 10 minutes. Whoa, look at the station. It's huge. Canary Wharf. So this station is connected with the shopping centre, the shopping mall, Cabot Place shopping mall. Wow, look at those decorations. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna take the escalator. Wow, it's huge. So this is the DLR we're going to get on, and it doesn't have any drivers. It runs.
The next train
okay.
at platforms 1 and 2 is for Lewisham.
This is the DLR train. It's quite empty because it's very late at night. It doesn't have any drivers, so that's one thing that's interesting. So, আমরা এটা উঠবো না আম্মু? তাহলে উঠি? Thank you so much for joining me today. See you in another travel vlog. আমার ভিডিও দেখার জন্য ধন্যবাদ. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.